Are you ready for something magical?
Hi, may I help you?
Hey, here's $100. I owe it to your son.
What the f?
Voila! Anyways, today we're making carnivore bang bang shrimp. I get a lot of flack about what I call carnivore, so to save you from messaging me or commenting on this video about how this isn't carnivore, I'll say this. Grow the fuck up. Anyways, the pan sauce uses collagen and it's just so nice to be able to glaze something besides donuts. Ready? Here we go. For this recipe, we'll need to grab the following. Collagen, optional allulose, granulated garlic, crushed red pepper, sriracha, some tamari soy sauce, unsalted butter, and finally some large shrimp. These little babies are tell-off, peeled and deveined, individually quick frozen, and work perfectly for what we're about to do. Oh shit, almost forgot about the white pepper. You're gonna need this too. Okay, grab you a mixing bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of collagen, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of allulose, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Less crushed red pepper if you want less heat. Give this a quick whisking and a taste. Add more or less allulose depending on what level of sweetness you want. Alright, place a saute pan over medium-high heat along with a heaping tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1 pound of shrimp. Sear one side of the shrimp for about 2 minutes before tossing them around. Shrimp are one of those foods that people overcook quite frequently, so we're going to be working pretty quickly here. After the 2 minutes, give them a toss and then sprinkle over all of your spice mixture, 2 tablespoons of your tamari, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and begin mixing this in. You'll notice that it pretty quickly starts to look saucy. You'll want to cook the shrimp in the sauce for about another 2 minutes, and this will give it enough time to reduce. If you run a spoon or rubber spatula through it, it should take time for it to pull back up. That's when you know it's done. Plate up your sticky shrimp as recklessly as you want, and I don't know about you, but I have an upper limit of how much shrimp I can eat, so I shared this pile with some friends. Give this video a like if you also can only eat so many shrimp. If you can eat all the shrimp, comment down below how much you can eat in one sitting. I may have reduced my sauce for about another minute before pouring it over my shrimp, but that was mostly for the picture. You don't have to do that step if you don't want to. I garnished this with some obligatory scallions and dug in. This first bite is brought to you by my Patreon community. You know, I have moments when I'm working on recipes where I'm so overwhelmed by how well something worked that I almost feel like it's not even fair to the original dish. I don't know if this is any better, but I dare to say that it's just as good. Oh, and good for you.